Hello student, welcome back. I hope all are fine. Today we are here to discuss our third chapter of moral science, and you can see the name of the chapter, The Young Brave Heart. Student, in this chapter we are going to learn about courage. Courage is a resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear, written by Mark Twain. So, students, in this chapter, we are going to learn about courage. So, first of all, my question: what is courage? Courage is the choice and willingness to confront agony, pain, danger, uncertainty, or intimidation. Courage refers to qualities of spirit and conduct. It permits one to face extreme dangers and difficulties without fear. Students, bravery implies true courage with a daring and intrepid boldness. Bravery in a battle, just bravery in a like a battle. So, in the sense of acting in a way that responds to risk appropriately, not overconfidently or in a cowardly way, will also help us to accomplish good things. Courage also helps us to act against those who threaten or who act in a bad way. Students, if you are a courageous person, you face danger or stand up against the odds without flinching. Known as the man without fear, Daredevil is regarded as a very courageous superhero. It is the ability to do something difficult even when there is a risk. Courageous people do and say that what they think is right despite opposition. It gives kids the confidence to be themselves, risk their own social status, to stand up for others. And you know the example of courage while racing into a burning building to save lives and helping out a person who is being robbed are certainly courageous and admirable acts. Even smaller occurrences can count as act of courage. For example, confronting a bully or asking out a secret crush out on a date both require certain levels of bravery. In daily life, some examples of courageous, like trying a food that you have never tried before, engaging in a new experience, asking someone out on a date, doing something that might be a little risky, such as skydiving or riding a bike for the first time, standing up for a person who is being picked on. Like this, these are the daily life courageous. These are the ways to be daily life courageous. So, students, let's start the chapter. First, we will read paragraph wise and then explanation. It was winter, school was closed for the vacations. 8 years old Mohibani Azang was visiting her grandmother in a village in Nagaland. That day, the two went down to the river to catch fish. They had come quite far from the village. Suddenly, Mohibani's grandmother began to fall ill. She doubled up in pain. Soon after, she fainted. Mohibani did not know that her grandmother had suffered a stroke, which can even kill a person. All she knew was that her grandmother was very unwell and needed help at once. Mohibani started running. She ran and ran all the way back to her village. She had to pass through thick forest where dangerous animals prowled. Mohibani was scared, but she did not let fear stop her. She ran as fast as her little legs would carry her. Students, this paragraph means it was the cold time. Okay, schools were closed, and 8 years old Mohibani came to Nagaland for visiting her grandmother's house and in a village. And then one day they both went far enough away from village to go for fishing. And then suddenly Mohibani grandmother became ill. She started getting very painful and she faints. Mohibani does not know that pain can even kill him, and she also knows that her grandmother is ill. Then she is not well with her health, and she need help now. And then Mohibani started going back toward the village for her grandmother. She passes through dense forest, and she feel scared also, but she ran away, leaving all the fear behind it. She ran as fast as she could with her short legs. Students, as you can see in this picture, how Mohibani is running like this. Then in the next para, you can see an exhausted Mohibani reached the village and told the people about her grandmother. Now lying alone, the villagers rushed with her and took her grandmother to the nearest primary health care center. She was later taken to a bigger hospital. Then soon tired Mohibani came to the village alone and tell all the villagers about her grandma. Then all the villagers ran and take her grandma to the nearest hospital. And after that being admitted, she admitted to a large hospital. Now Mohibani said that while she ran back, her only thought was for her grandmother, thought of nothing but saving her grandmother's life. If she had waited for help to come by, her grandmother may have died. In this paragraph, Mohibani says that when she was running back, the only questions that were arising in her mind were how to save her grandmother's life. Little Mohibani's bravery became the talk of the village. Her grandmother gave her lots of love when she recovered. For her great act of courage, Mohibani received the National Bravery Award on Republic Day. Mohibani was the youngest of 24 brave children to be awarded. She was given a medal, a certificate, and some money for her study by Prime Minister of India. Students, this paragraph mean if she will wait for someone to come and help her, it could happen her grandmother's life could also be lost. But she braved her mind bravely, and the small Mohibani became the famous in the entire village. About her discussion started in the village, and when grandma recovered, she given her a lots of love to Mohibani. And you know one most important thing, students, for her great act of courage, she got the National Bravery Award. Who got? Mohibani got award on the Republic Day, and she was the youngest of 24 brave children to be awarded. She got a medal, certificate, and scholarship by the Prime Minister of India for her studies. So the students chapter is over, and like this Mohibani shows her bravery. And here you can see Mohibani's bravery came to light when she saved her grandmother's life. All of us can light up our lives and those of others by our daily act of courage. First, always speak the truth even you are scared. Yes, we should always speak truth. Be yourself, do not try to be like others. Admit your mistakes, forgive others for their mistake. Learn new things, do not be afraid of failure. Children, we can also show bravery as like Mohibani by doing some good deeds. Student, because courage is the ability to face any dangerous or painful situation. Okay, courage can be physical or moral. Physical courage is when one can face any physical pain, or moral courage is to do the right things in every situation. So, students, we have many examples of courageous people like freedom fighters and soldiers. Students, we will also become brave when we do something difficult, and all of us can be brave in our daily lives. Even a small act of bravery can make a difference. So students, the chapter is over and now let's come in exercise. You can see first question. Where did Mohebani go with her grandmother? Mohebani go to the river for catching fish with her grandmother. What had happened to Mohibani's grandmother? Mohibani's grandmother suddenly fall ill and she fainted. What did Mohibani do to help her grandmother? Mohibani ran back to the village and crossed dense forest and wild animals without any fear, and she told to all villagers about her grandmother. Now, fourth question, you can say, why did not Mohibani wait for help to arrive? Yes, student, if she will wait for someone to come and help, then maybe her grandma can also die because her grandma condition was very bad at that time. Now let's come in next question. Pick the action that are example of bravery. Speaking on stage in front of crowd. Yes, it is the example of bravery. Telling a lie to save yourself from being scolded. No, we will cross here. Shooting a wild animal for fun. We will cross here. This is not a example of bravery. Asking classmates not to tease a weak student. Yes. Fifth, write a project yourself when everybody else is copying. Yes, it is the example of bravery. Now, students, you can see in the next question, brave people think quickly. Here are some difficult situations. Choose the correct action to help yourself and others. During fire, students, which sentence is correct? Switch off everything and use stairs to escape. Earthquake. Earthquake, students drop to the ground and take cover by getting under a study table. Burn. Burn, hold the affected part under cool running water. Insect bite. Insect bite, remove the sting using a fingernail and apply ice to lessen the pain. Cut or escape, press with a clean cloth until bleeding stops. So students, now the chapter is over. And one more important thing, whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, that one you should must write and learn carefully. And if you have any problem related to this chapter, you can knock for it. Okay, thank you.